Based po sa experience ko, gusto ko lang i-share. Nung naghanap kami ng agent para sa partner visa 309, 100. So, we managed to speak with an agent, but unfortunately, he said he wouldn't be able to assist us. Nag-try ulit ako na maghanap ng agent to make sure na legit siya. Pumunta ako sa website ng portal.mara.gov.au. Sinearch ko po siya doon kung talagang lisensyado siyang ahente. Kasi hindi biro po mag-apply ng partner visa, baka ma-denied na naman. Kasi nung nag-apply ako before, ibang ano naman siya, ibang application like family visa and then visit visas. Kulang yung mga documents na hindi ko na-provide. So, ngayon, natakot ako baka ma-deny na naman ako. So, sinisigurado ko talagang legit yung agent. So, ang ginawa ko, sinearch ko siya doon. So, legit naman. Nakikita ko yung detalye niya doon. Tapos yung MARN na reference number or migration agent reference number nandoon. Hindi biro po talagang mag-apply ng partner visa 309-100 is napakamahal po. Imagine pag na-deny siya tapos nabitawan mo na yung pera, nagbayad ka na doon ng something more than pa. Processing ng documents, paglalakad mo ng mga documents. So, ayun, nakahanap kami but pinag-aralan muna namin, pinag-isipan muna namin kung talagang mag-i-agent kami kasi ang mahal din ng bayad sa kanya. Mga after 5 months, doon na kami nakapag-decide. May inaantay kaming isang importanteng documents na kailangan ma-aprobahan mo na bago kami mag-apply for partner visa or sigurado ba na mag-i-agent kami or kami na lang ang gagawa. From August 2024 to January 2025. So by January 2025, nakapag-decision na kami. Kami ng asawa ko ang pa-process. Kasi alam ko matagal yung agent. I'm not suggesting to avoid using a migration agent. In fact, hiring an agent is highly important if you are unfamiliar with the documents processing required for a partner visa. Furthermore, you must ensure that the documents you provide to immigration are accurate and complete. Fill up nyo itong form na to and then search for registered migration agents. Use this Find Registered Migration. Click mo lang yan if you need help on how to use this search. Ito yung website guide if you need help on how to use the search function on this page. Basahin nyo lang yan. Search for registered migration agents. Results display. Register details. If you are checking the registration of a specific person and have completed the search field correctly, their name will display in the search results. If there are no results for the person, this means that the person is not registered with the UMARA.